Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel. I am so blessed. I'm doing yet another collab with my good friend, Dolls UK, and we are going to do Goth Dolls, but it's not just a collab. It is a collaboration between Jay and I to encourage all of you to grab a doll or a couple dolls or a whole bunch of dolls and dress and fix them up goth. And I got this doll, this little Blythe doll, bless her little heart, from AliExpress. And it has been a nightmare getting her ready to become a goth doll. The first thing that happened is she had very loose joints. So I tightened them up with rubber bands, and this has never happened before. Some rubber bands broke, so I replaced them. It wasn't a big deal, but it was like, really? Her hair was just a little bit greasy. I mean, I could have left it alone, but no, I had to go at it, and I'm telling you, never. I had one Monster High doll that had really bad hair, but it had really bad hair to start. I'm telling you the truth. I did all the tricks with this doll's hair, and it kept getting worse. I'd get up in the morning, and I would think it was still wet. No, it was really greasy. So finally, I got that pretty straightened out, or at least back to where it was. And I decided to do her. She came with a shiny face, as some of the Blythe dolls do, and I got out the Mr. Super Clear and I did her face. Well, guess what? That didn't go well either. It's like the spirits are telling me, no, not a goth doll, but I'm not listening. I keep going forward. I did her face. I had some problems doing her face. Two people helped me with that. One was Dolls UK, and the other was Blythe. And they are in Taiwan. They do a beautiful face-up almost every day on a Blythe doll. And I mentioned to them I was having trouble. And oh, bless their hearts, they helped me out straight away. So we're leaving their link below underneath J Dolls. So here I am, and I've made her one little outfit. I don't like it so much. I think it needed to be lined either in black or the same fabric underneath. Excuse me, my throat's dry. Darren made a little stand for her, which I'm thrilled about. But her little outfit also has a little, excuse me, teddy underneath. And we're going to do some DIYs coming up as we remind you about the upcoming challenge, some things you can do for your dolls. Now, it does not have to be a Blythe doll. Let me repeat, any doll at all that you like. That can be a little doll, a little doll or a big doll, an old doll or a new doll, anything you want. I would suggest, if you're going to be painting it and making it ghoulish, to go to a garage sale and get one. We're also going to be talking about other doll clothes, anything you want. I wanted to give you a close-up of her hair. It actually turned out really beautiful. 7 washes, shampoos, cream rinse, goop, Goo Gone, rainwater, bottled water, and that's what I got. It really is shiny, though. I will say kudos to the rooters of these dolls, because I pulled and I yanked and I worked on this hair, and it is really in there well. When I got to her face up, to say I struggled is an understatement. When I finally got her where I wanted her, I just wanted a touch of makeup on her. I carried her out to do the Mr. Super Clear over her face. When I got to the outside, the farm cat tripped me. I went flying, the wind was blowing, And well, I did not know how much was still on her before I did the Mr. Super Clear, but here she is. I love her. Please don't make fun of her face. I did. Okay, so we have Gothia's beads back together. I promise you I didn't mean to do that. What I was going to say is I did do her eyelids. However, I am not good at art, and I used fabric for her eyes. And we got that on correctly. And it opens and closes, but it is set too high. For right now, I am leaving it because they open, they shut, they change. We are also encouraging you to join us not just for the Goth Doll in July. We have a 4-month plan, and I'm pretty excited about it. Personally, I'm going to be using the same doll, but you can switch it up. Like I said, dress 1, 2, 5, or every doll in your collection if you like. We're going to do July will be Goth. August will be black wedding dress. September is to be announced. We're going to let you vote, and we'll tell you more about that. And then October, we're going to do witches. So that gives you time to come up with ideas and outfits, whether you make them or buy them, and you might have time to even order those from AliExpress. To come up with ideas for your own dolls on your own videos on your own channels. Don't forget to vote for the hashtags, and the 2 hashtags are hashtag dolls in black or hashtag dolls gone goth. Some of you will ask me, what is goth? What is dressing up in goth? You tell me. Leave it in my comments. What does that mean to you? In my mind, it is Victorious styles in black with some skulls, with some dark makeup. But you tell me, what do you think of when you think of goth? I made this dress, and to me, to me, it looks like she's going to a square dance. But you know what? I like it. I don't hate it. There are many, many ways you can dress up your doll. You can buy the clothes. You can make the clothes. Anything you want to do, we just encourage you to join our challenge, make a video, and we are going to post those in July. The date will be coming soon, but just shoot for July. We just wanted to give you a heads up so you can grab a doll and do a face up or hair or make outfits or whatever you'd like to do. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Special thank you to J Dolls UK for joining me in this collab. And please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.